Hey everyone, it's me again. I made a bot for doing research, and someone kind of asked me what we can do with this and what we can be found. So I'm going to just press the start button. The link will be here I'll put it in the description below. But let's press the start button here. It's going to basically ask you, please provide a search term to begin with, right? That's pretty simple, right? Let's see, best places to visit in Paris. Let's see what it can do with that. Never tried that. So it starts finding entities: Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, Notre Dame, attractions, nice. Categories of entities, so historical landmarks, museums and galleries, parks and gardens, shopping and dining areas at the Champs-Elysees, La Murray. This is pretty cool. Never used it for a travel concept before. But it's actually pulling out some nice stuff, right? When this is done, let's try doing some. Oh, no, there's related statements, related questions, common errors and misconceptions about what is going on, and current debates. So let's do another one. Try something like surfing in Bali. Did I spell that right? Let me double check that because I don't want to screw that up. Sure enough. I was all good. All right. Waves breakers. Nice. Wonderful. Look at this output. It's actually pretty spot on. Buddha Beach. Beautiful. Did you want to try something specific? I heard someone say something. Okay, let's try a new one. Not too bad. Pretty much spot on. Okay, let's do another one. We'll try one on paper. Spell, of course, I can't spell right, especially being blind. Let's see what it does. Temperature, mini wind speed, blah, blah, blah. Transpiration, nice. Nice. Oh, this is great. This is wonderful. So pretty much this is one of those research prompts that kind of work on no matter what you do, no matter what you're curious about. Let's just say something like, we'll do another one. Let's say, What is that called? What are those called? Alternator repair? Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, I got a fun one we'll do next. Hmm. Yeah, not much of a conversationalist right now, am I? Sorry. Oh, nice. Look at this. Hmm. Not bad. Keep saying that, but I'm excited. Anyone have an idea or something to try, suggest? Wow. Best way to find lead generation clients? Dear God. Okay, we'll do that one next. Uh, it's not, we can see what it says. Hey, Gagan, good morning. This one done. All right, we'll do one of these. You think of that there, Thomas? Not too shabby. Got anything to throw in here, Gagan? Before I stop this video recording and upload it to YouTube, harass the public. Hmm. Best way to bathe. Fucking Thomas. All right. Ooh, direct mail, one of my favorite. You real estate agents, interior designers. Not too shabby. Let's see. Don't you just love how it pulls out these models and entities all over? Isn't this just beautiful? Nice. Heel toe shifting. Wow, it's got it all over leftovers. Amazing. Fast, agile, precise, durable, reliable. How to sing in the rain without getting wet. Okay, that'll be the last one, I think. That's a pretty that'll be interesting. Let's see what it does. Let's try this a different way. Instead of how to sing, and say singing because it's the topic, not a question. Remember? So singing. There we go. It was a question we posed, not a topic. You see. It ain't bad. It can be enjoyable with proper protection. Nice. Well, cool. Fun, fun, fun.